A simple hug carried years of gratitude as an Aita scholar from Pampanga became emotional while thanking the man who helped open a door to a brighter future. During a press conference on August 10, Cyril, an Aita from Pampanga, embraced Chef Gerard Dubois, founder and chairman of La Rose Noire, and expressed her heartfelt gratitude.
My home was a village where I had brothers and sisters from all over the country, and bread is memorable in my childhood. We baked and broke bread together. Bread was a symbol of family.
Cyril was part of Batch 19 of La Rose Noire Foundation Scholarship Program, and today she has come full circle, now working as an instructor at La Rose Noire facility in Clark.
At La Rose Noire Foundation, I love baking. I am reminded of family, the gentle hands of friends, turn family capable of turning flour into something beautiful. So, I dream becoming a baker and an instructor.
La Rose Noire is a world-renowned manufacturer of artisanal pastries, baked goodies, and chocolate creations. Founded by Swiss pastry chef Gerard Dubois in Hong Kong in 1991, the company operates a major production facility in the Clark Freeport zone, serving customers around the world. But beyond culinary excellence, Dubois and the La Rose Noire Foundation are focused on something bigger, giving underprivileged but deserving Filipinos a chance to build better lives.
Helping us to find the one who really deserve it. Because very often we start with every 6 months we need students for the next classes. So we start with 100 students, potential student or 200, but some of them have money, some of them they just want to have a good time, some of them, so we really cut it down to only 18 students. But we need to be able to find even more deserving students, someone who has absolutely no money, very underprivileged, but deserving.
This year marks 35 years of La Rose Noire and 10 years of the La Rose Noire Foundation, highlighting its commitment to Filipino talent, community development, and youth empowerment.
As long as I stay healthy, I will definitely be here to be able to develop many more schools and many more students. We're building right now a massive foundation called the Swiss Care Foundation. We will be able to get maybe 100 students per year, and the course will not be 6 months course. I still need to work on the entire basic like Lausanne Hotel School, but I would like to do a 1-year course or a 2 years course, which will be for hospitality management. The only thing that is very important for me is to be able to help the underprivileged. I'm not here to help the rich, not interested, but really to help the underprivileged. We have no chance right now.
According to Pamela Angeles Flores, Executive Director of the Foundation, they have already produced 343 scholar alumni in their first decade, with many now working in prestigious hotels and restaurants in the Philippines and abroad, including Japan, Dubai, Saudi Arabia, Australia, the Maldives, Prague, and international cruise lines. 7 more scholars are set to head to Dubai under all expenses paid employment contracts. Scholars receive test the training in bread and pastry production or barista skills, along with mentorship, life skills coaching, and other support. The foundation is also the only Level 3 DSWD accredited social welfare agency in Central Luzon and has maintained a 100% test the compliance audit rating. For Dubois, success is not simply measured by business growth.
Of helping the school which really need me. So I went there with Pamela and we looked at some nice school. And I told Pamela, I say, why are we here? Oh, we can help to get more. I said, what do you want to build? You want to build a tennis court for them, or you want to build a swimming pool? Or you want to make, no, Pamela, let's focus on the schools who need us. We really want to focus on the one which really need helps.
It is measured by the happiness that comes from giving back to the community.
For me personally, it's about happiness. How do I measure that? It's really about the happiness of being able to help the people who need it. Happiness to get up every morning and say, one more day, beautiful. Happiness that I'm still alive. Happiness that my family is doing well. Happiness that we have a great team here in the Philippines. And I think it's not how do I measure success. No, it's just about the happiness.
And Cyril's journey from scholar to instructor is one example of how a single opportunity can change the course of a life. As the foundation marks a decade of service, its message remains simple. Helping one person may not change the whole world, but it can change the world for that one person. This is Patricia Mamangon on the spot.